Welcome to the ezfocus iOS application tutorial, part 1. Once you log in, this will be your dashboard. Simply click on the button on the top left corner and go to My Stores. These are all of your stores in alphabetical order. You can search for a specific store. And you also have the Analysis tab, which is all the same list, but more in detail. If you click on the top V button, you can select your view over here, but I recommend store name, banner, address, city, and visit. If you are in a province where data is available, you can also select data detail. Click on account type if you are following different accounts. Click on the button again, and the data will be adapted. So you have the account number, name, banner, address, city, the last time you visited the account, and the number of visits in the last year. Click on an account number, and all of the account information will show up. Here you can edit some of the info. Simply click Edit, and you can make changes in any widgets that are circled with a black line. Once you've made your changes, click Save. The Visits tab is all of the visits that you've made in the account. To add a visit, simply click Add. Here you can choose what kind of call you'd like this to be, the date, the start time, the end time, and you can put in any notes that you would like about the call. And then simply click Save. And your call will show up in your Visits tab. If you'd like to delete the call, simply swipe and press Delete. The next tab is your My Objectives. These are the objectives your managers have set for you. You can simply click on an objective. If you press PL, that means you've planned the objective. CP is completed. If your manager has asked for a picture to be attached, you will not be able to complete the objective. And RJ is rejected. If a picture is required with an objective, simply add a picture. Press Save. And now your objective has been completed. Your next tab is Follow-ups. Anything that you need to do or come back to with this account, simply add. Choose a date you'd like your follow-up to be on, your start time, your end time, any notes you'd like to save, and you can also save this to your calendar. And then this follow-up will show up in your dashboard. Until you have completed it. You can also do an account search here. and you're back into the same view. Now we'll move on to your listed products tab, which is the most important tab that you will use as a rep in field. This is the key tab to track all of your distribution. To find and list a product, you can search for the product here or simply scroll down slide over and press list, and the product has automatically been listed. You can also slide over, unlist, add a picture, and save. You can also add more information. You can select if it's out of stock, delisted, if it's in a fridge or a glass case, incremental display. You can also add what the retail price is. And simply click Save. And your information is updated. Your next tab is Documents. Here you can add any sort of document you'd like, whether it be a contract. Simply click Add. You can put anything you'd like under name, put a product to it, and click Save. To delete, simply swipe and press Delete. The next tab is Achievements. Anything you've done over and above your objectives, you can add over here. So whether it be an incremental display, same thing, just press Add. You can put a description, a product, the date, quantity, and any notes. You can also delete, just swipe and press Delete. The next tab is Competition. If you see a great competitive display, take a picture, add a picture. You can take it live, put any notes that you'd like, and save. And again, just swipe over and press Delete to delete it. The next tab is Contacts. You can add any contact you'd like. And this won't be shared with the industry. This is private to you and your agency. Simply click Save, and that's been saved for you. Next tab is Dates. You have your delivery days, your visit days, and your order days. Simply click, and it's already saved for you. The next tab is Surveys. These are usually questions your managers will ask you, usually yes or no, very simple. They can be reoccurring, so every time you come into the store, or a one-time survey.